No more waiting for Bloss Dillard to issue your certificates. Our self-service utility in our Agent Service Center makes it easy on you. This utility allows you to issue certificates of insurance that are delivered directly to your email. If the certificate holder is an additional insured, or if additional coverages such as waiver of subrogation and/or primary non-contributory is needed, the certificate will be forwarded to our office for review and then released to you upon approval. Log into our Agent Service Center and click the Certificates tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This will display a list of policies eligible for the certificate utility. On this screen, click on the cloud icon to issue a certificate. At the Certificate Request screen, fill in the certificate holder fields and click Create. As long as there is nothing in the Description of Operations field and the additional insured question is marked No, a certificate will immediately be emailed to the email address you entered into the field. If any content is entered into the Description of Operations or the certificate holder is an additional insured, the certificate request will be sent to our office for approval. Once we approve the request, we will reach out with either additional information needed or the completed certificate. It's as easy as that. Take advantage of this valuable tool designed for you by your partners at Bloss & Dillard.